In that year, a small group of hydrologists, 4 to be exact, were performing tests in Lake Kronotskoye under the banner of their sponsor, the Leningrad Hydrometeorological Institute. 3 of these investigators were still graduate-level students at the school, one of whom was named Valentin. The other 2 students have not been named in the records. The 4th member of the party and its leader was a recent graduate named Argokov. Given their desire for actual liquid to work with, they were there in the middle of August, marveling at the sharp technicolor contrasts of deep blue, dreamlike green, and rugged black mountains with pure white on top around them. Near the end of their trip, the team of 4 entered the same motorboat together on an especially pleasant day. The research had gone well, while not exciting, and the nerves they all had in the early stages of the expedition had long since vanished, being replaced by quiet confidence in their competence as researchers and an eagerness to show off their findings when they arrived back at school some days later. All that remained was to enjoy the final stretch of the trip and collect the final bits of data needed to round out the research and make the most of their funding, but not too much. After all, if they ever wanted to return to the crystalline waters of Kronotskoye, they'd have to prove only enough to prove that more work needed to be done, and of course by them. And so they padded along on top of the water to the tune of an old outboard. The breeze was at their backs, creating little ripples of chop in the water, but it was by no means a rough day. The 4 students, the 4 friends, laughed and talked and held their noses a bit high at the thought of the exclusivity of the group ever to have seen this place, let alone drive a boat across its surface.